Welcome to Tepi Talks. We are still moving on now with intersection of lines. So we want to look at the points where they intersect. Those points of intersection is what we want to look at between these points. Alright, question 1 goes, find the coordinate of the point of intersection of the lines. We have got part A, 4x plus y minus 5 equals 0, and x minus 3y minus 11 equals 0. So when they say find the points of intersection, we want you to get the value of x and y, where those points are meeting. So what you do, can either from end of the question I can say 4x plus y minus 5 equals 0, this is the first, and x minus 3y minus 11 equals 0 is the second. You can say from equation 2, I've got x minus 3y minus 11 equals 0. We can take that one there. What is x? Is 3y plus 11. So you can say this is equation star. You can say put star in 1. We are going to use substitution method. Put equation star in 1. What is equation 1 saying? It's saying 4x plus y minus 5 equals 0. So where you see x, I'm going to bring in this. So we're going to have 4 into 3y plus 11 minus 5 equals 0. So can we open this is 12y plus 44 minus 5 equals 0. We're having 12y plus 39 equals 0. We have 12y equals negative 39. So what is y alone is negative 3. Is negative, when you say 39 divided by 12, what are we coming out with? Just put it in a clear point. It is not negative 3, it is negative 3 point what? So we are saying we are getting negative 3.25. This is 0.25. Then after getting y, we are supposed to put in an equation. You can say in star, what is star saying? X equals 3y plus 11, which is given as 3 into negative 3.25 plus 11. So can we guide and multiply with that? We say 3 into 3.25 plus 11. So we are having x as 1.25. Therefore, the point is, we write x and y, which is equal to, the point of intersection is 1.25, comma, negative 3.25. So this one is the point of intersection between these two lines. So after getting that, the same way I've done, we're also going to go to part B. They are like solving simultaneous equation, but we are not saying you leave them and we're saying that x equals this and because they put them in coordinate form, because that's what they asked you for, the point of intersection, the coordinate. Now when you leave it in terms of x equals, it means you have just solved for you the values of x and y. So we are moving to solution B, which goes the point of, find the coordinates of the point intersection of 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals 0, and 4x plus 5y plus 3 equals 0. So we're going to list them. I've got 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals 0 first, then another one is 4x plus 5y plus 3 equals 0. This is the second. I can first take those ones there and I say 3x plus 2y equals 1. We have got 4x plus 5y equals negative 3. I can eliminate x. I put a 4, then a 3 down. Multiply throughout. We are getting 12x plus 8y equals a 4. We are getting 12x plus 15y equals a negative 9. So can we subtract? This minus this, we are getting negative 7y equals this and this. 9 minus minus we are getting a 13. So what is y alone is negative 13 out of 7. That is the value of y. Then from there, we substitute in any equation. We can say in 1, which is 3x plus 2y equals 1, we have already got the value of y. So we get 3x plus 2 into negative 13 out of 7 equals 1. So we are getting 3x as 1 plus 26 out of 7. So 3x equals, this is when you get the LCM, we shall have 33 out of 7. So when you reduce, x is 11 out of 7. Therefore, the point is 11 out of 7, comma, negative 13 out of 7. That one becomes the point of intersection. So want also to move to part C, solution for part C. Solution for part C. So when those questions comes that way, don't fail them. Just know that you are going to get the best through solving for x and y. So we are moving to part C. We are having y equals 5x plus 2. And another one, you can say this is the first equation. Another way is 3x minus 1, second. How can we solve? Since all of them are the same, you can say equation 1 equals equation 2, because you can see there's y equals y. Just equate. So we're having 5x plus 2 equals 3x minus 1. So rearranging, you're getting 2x equals negative 3. When you take that one the other side. So x alone is negative 3 by 2. And we substitute in any equation. I can say, put y equals negative 3 by 2 in 2. What is equation 2 saying? Y equals 3x minus 1, which is, we have already known y. It is negative 3 over 2 equals 3x minus 1. So can we try to make 3x the subject, which becomes 1 minus 3 out of 2? So 3x, which is already as negative 1 out of 2. So x alone is negative 1 out of 6. Therefore, the point is negative 1 over 6, comma, negative 3 out of 2. This one is marks the end on how we can solve the points of intersection. So when they come that way, it's all about solving for value of x and y. Otherwise, we shall meet in the next episode.